Hey guys, my name is Costa, and in today's video I'm gonna show you the new feature released by Framer, which is the CMS dynamic filters. So right now I am on toolbar.net, and here I have some tools, and on the right side I have two different filters. One is for the categories and the other one is for the price tag. So let's say I look up for some design tools, and then I'm also looking for some free design tools. So as easy as that, I was able to filter everything, and now I don't have to lose my time to look up for these tools individually. And let me show you how it works. I'm gonna create a CMS collection, and then let's go to the articles here, select the articles, go to filters, and then you can choose to filter this however you want, but let's start first with the title. So let's say you want to add a search field for the title, right? I'm gonna delete this label, you don't need it, and that is it basically. So now let's preview this and let's look up for best practices, and voila, we filtered this out. Now let's add a drop down as well. So I'm gonna go to filters once again, and then let's go to categories. This time I want to filter this by categories, so I'm gonna check the drop down, and that is it. Now once again we can delete this label, we can call this categories. We can also make this a component if you want to, in case you want to make it to add a hover state. So let's call this hover, then create a hover state, and let's change the color to something darker. Now let's preview this, and voila, as easy as that, guys. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.